someone come to court and explain why something is not happening? Is it so difficult for anyone to come to court and explain why something so, which is so grave, is not happening? Is it that difficult?
It's not difficult, my lord, just to explain the logistical difficulties that are there. In that the court is asking for the acting Inspector General present, and there is a representative here from the office of the Inspector General, and he has been here since the past time.
Which one?
In the morning.
I'm finding it, because you see now, the coming of the Inspector General is one thing. There is even a grave matter that has not been addressed. The issue of those three people, where are they?
My lord, the affidavit that has been put before the court speaks for itself, and to that fact that the police are not holding these people, and the DCI officer here is also here. He's an officer under the high chief, and all these officers can be put here, and they can explain to the court. My lord.
That is very serious. Okay, you are giving options to the court. The court had not given any of these options. But if indeed, I'm assuming, if indeed the Inspector General of Police was so desirous of complying with these court orders, and that has been the position of the petitioners all through, why has it been so difficult that you say that he has two deputy inspectors of police? Why is it that none of them has even ever bothered to come to court from the time the court issued these orders?
My lord, the representative from the office of the Inspector General has always been before this court. And in fact,
and why is it that until today you had not filed any response to this application? Yes, until yesterday. Why is it that you have been, I don't know, I think you have been treating the matter casually? Because from the 23rd, it was served on the same day. It was not responded to. People appeared in court, you were not there. Now, you claim that you have been so desirous of complying with those orders. Yet, the attitude shows that this is not the case. And you know what is an issue is that there are people claiming that the police or officers, agents of the Inspector General were involved. Yet you take all that time to make any response to the petition before the court. How do you expect the court to take you serious?
My lord, from the record that I have with me, a lot of these calculated opportunities here before. This petition was filed on the 26th.
So when did you respond? Yesterday.
And on the 27th.
Yesterday was which date? 4th.
Yesterday was 4th.
After my ruling on that.
The first appearance we did was on Saturday. So the first time we had to appear was on Saturday.
But you were served on 26th. On 26th, you were supposed to appear in court, having made a response to the petition and the application.
My colleague, if I understand, she came to court and talked for time.
When? Did she come to court on 26th? Because you see, I want to take you on your word with regard to complying with. Just a minute. The matter was before the court on 23rd of August.
Number B, order number B was that physical service of these orders be effected by close of business.
That was on 26th.
That was on 26th. When the petition was served, the petition was served together with these orders on 26th.
All right. Okay. Miss.
And we wish that to go on record. Yes, and we sought instructions on 27th August 2024. My lord, that is the position because we have a stamp. I received a stamp for this August 2024. This order for the Inspector General to appear was served together with the petition on 26th.
Yes, and
it is not even a
just a minute.
All the respondents were not involved for that.
Okay, just a minute. And the order for the Inspector General to be served came after the first order was not complied with.
Yes, my lord, because we were not aware of how those orders. The orders of 25 were served on us other.
My lord, that is going to mislead the court in the the orders were served the 23rd August 2024. They were served via email. The examiner doesn't confirm it. My lord, they acknowledge.
Okay, you see, the reason why I feel that you may not be very, you may not be very much willing, or you have not been very much willing to comply with these orders, is in spite of this matter having come to court on 23rd, the court having issued all those orders, you did not even bother to respond at any given time. You only responded yesterday. Yesterday, all along, you've been aware of this petition. You've been aware that I had summoned the Inspector General of Police from 26, but you never bothered to put any papers. How else do you expect the court to take you if you are taking the matter so lightly and they invoke the fundamental freedoms of other people? The office has not been diligent in dealing with this matter. And I am certain if you had complied, we would not even have summoned the Inspector General of Police. We would have dealt with your representatives, including the investigating officer. But because you are taking your time, you don't seem to be giving the concerns of these petitioners and the Kenyans the attention that it deserves. It now leads us here where we have to summon your boss to come and explain why his office is not acting in accordance with what they promised Kenyans when they took the oath of office. They took an oath of office first to have allegiance or to keep their allegiance to the Constitution. And this Constitution is one that has a Bill of Rights. It has the principles of rule of law. They are not just mere ones. And as a person now who has the overall command of that institution, if those people who are him are not accountable, then he takes responsibility. He's the one to take responsibility for their conduct. That is why I said I need that Inspector General of Police to say why the orders of the court are not being complied with by the Department of Police, by the Kenya Police Service. Because if people are ignoring these orders and people are missing, they are the people who are supposed to investigate. If we do not have information, we don't want to come to tell a court why these people are not there. Number two, it is alleged that they themselves were involved. They don't want to answer. So whom should we go for? We go for the head of that unit, that agency. because he has a constitutional duty to protect everyone, including the missing persons.
Thank you, my lord, for my lord will hear you very well. We apologize for the court. We didn't, so we are here not to have really taken the matter seriously. But we have also explained to the court the chronology of the service and how we are going
You
to
see,
take
now,
on the
Mr.
matter.
Mutinda, you are coming very late. You are telling me that we have a representative of the Inspector General of Police. We have a deputy IG. Where have they been all along until it reached the level of the IG? Yet they have been aware of this case and they know what is involved. What have they been doing? If they were working under the instructions of the IG, why didn't they put in place those papers in time?
Lord, if I do recall very well, is that the appearance of her is when the court was informed that there was a representative of the IG in the court. And we also sought for time to file an affidavit, which is done by law. And the representatives of the IG are still here with us, even today. We have the BCAO who is still of the acting